I'm ready. And I'm getting wilder. Shout out to Beyonce. Country niggas booming, Peggy. I'm the new Beyonce.
What do you think about Russia?
Russia is a very good place.
Very developing country and partners of India.
I think the political views are not so good about it.
Russia is a very beautiful country. It's a very famous country, and recently Mr. Modi has visited Russia. Russia is our friend.
I mean, we've always considered Russia to be a part of us. Part of us in the sense like friendly people. We have so many people who went there to study.
The girls of Russia is so nice and so gorgeous.
Very large country in the world.
I haven't met any Russian people yet. You are Russian.
I'm American.
It's an isolated country, first of all. It's not really connected to many of the countries. It only deals with North Korea and China and everything. But yeah, apart from that, I think it's a beautiful city. But we never know what happens behind the curtain.
Russia is doing very well now. I like he was decision-making person, and one of the men who was making it done, the Putin, he was the supreme leader in future, I think.
Positive things. Of course, Putin, right, USSR and all of that, which are, I mean, those are some of the pictures that come to mind, but that's, you know, the meme sort of stuff.
Russia is a very cooperative country. Just like initially when we were demanding military and all those support was provided by Russia. Our government, Indian government has signed a treaty, friendship treaty in 1971, August with Russia. That treaty is still working. But yeah, at some stance, the Russian government stepped back also.
Because I'm an economics student, so mostly I have that economics perspective. Russia and India have a good time with each other. Like India is always there for Russia, Russia is always there for India.
Russia as it is now is of a different kind. The Russia that existed during the Soviet Union era was a better Russia, considering the way Marxist ideology was embraced, and after Lenin, the various Soviets that were established there. The prevailing tendencies, the socialist ideology and the socialist system itself, they were all superior. Now capitalism has become dominant in it.
The current situation with Russia is very bad. War should not happen. Every single thing can be resolved through peaceful dialogue.